Na namin ay isa't kalahating cup ng harina at kalahating cornstarch. Gagawa tayo ng
powder na.
Yung breading ng toknene.
Kalahati.
Okay. What are you making? What are you making, anak? No, don't play that, ha? Be careful. You want to bake?
Yes.
Oh. What are you making? Okay, let's do it. What are you making? What are you making? Oh.
Baking powder to.
Oh, baking powder, half tablespoon. Oh, lagay mo na half. Okay.
Hinalukay na lang. Hinalukay.
Next.
Wait, my turn. My turn.
Ay,
Wait, my turn.
ano,
My turn. My turn. My turn.
Anong sukatan?
Tablespoon din. Ay, teaspoon. Teaspoon.
Ulitin mo. 1/4 tablespoon.
Tablespoon.
Ang may asukre
1/4 tablespoon.
1/4 ito.
Pero ito ay hindi ito tablespoon.
Teaspoon.
O, teaspoon yan. So, anong 1/4 ng tablespoon? Kalahati ng teaspoon. So, ito yun. Kasi, ang kalahati ng tablespoon, teaspoon.
Natatapo na.
Ito, ang kalahati ng tablespoon. Ang kalahati ng teaspoon, ito.
Hindi, mamaya. Tapon-tapon na.
Okay? O,
1/4 asin.
1/4 ng asin na tablespoon. So, magiging 1/2 teaspoon. So, ilagay mo na.
Ito, te.
Oo.
Tapon-tapon natin ang ano natin.
Ay,
Kalahati.
Pumasok siya sa
1/2 tablespoon ng suka. So, 1 teaspoon yun. 1 teaspoon yan.
Ate, 1 teaspoon.
Oo, sige, okay. Lagay mo na. And then, 1 cup ng water. At kulay orange, okay?
Wait.
Okay, LJ will put water. LJ will put water. Okay, done.
Water.
Next is you
Wait,
put the
my turn, my
color
turn.
orange. Kayang-kaya ka ni LJ. Yung pet-pet ni LJ, kayang-kaya ka itulak. Oh, yung open na, ha? Okay, LJ, you put color orange to our toknene coating. Okay? Yan na ba yung open?
Wait.
Ito, te. Itong isang ano.
Wait, my turn.
Wait lang, yan dito. Ito, lagay ko na ito.
Hindi yan.
Magkaiba to eh.
Old yan.
Yes.
Oh,
Orange.
sige.
Wait lang.
Wala na dito. Dito kasi yung laging may open na orange. Okay. Let's check, This is the orange color. So, this one, you're gonna put that, yung remaining. Para hindi tayo maaksaya. Okay? LJ, you put the color orange na.
Biglang hanapin natin.
Dapat may gas mask.
Color orange.
Put the color orange to your
Sige. Tak-tak. Lagay mo dyan, lagay. Open ko pa to, te.
depends kung kulang pa to. Taktak mo, anak. Taktak. There. Okay. Haluin natin na spoon. Halo mo yung spoon natin.
Wait.
Si LJ daw maghalo. Anak, careful matapon.
Bakit sila nagpapakamatay dyan? Si Father David.
No.
Ba, ang galing ng bata. Very
What
good.
we are making?
You're making a coating for the toknene. Sama na, anak. Ay,
What red?
Janet, check mo muna.
It's my turn to put.
Tama na daw yan.
I'm gonna put red color.
Okay.
It's my turn.
It's your turn again.
What red color?
It's a orange color, anak.
I want red color.
There's no red, it's
Sabay
orange.
sa ano, baga.
Wait, I'm gonna check.
Sige, check mo.
I'm gonna check there.
Hindi yun.
No, it's the orange nga, not the red.
But I'm gonna check the other one is little orange.
Parang nagpapakamatay si Karen.
Hindi kayo nilalagay. Okay na.
Wait.
Tama na, hindi na ilalagay.
Wait.
Nasa kailaliman na ng bunganga ng
Got it.
crater ng bulkan.
Huwag may puna sa ka...
Ganyan po kakulit sa LJ, guys.
What?
Doon lumalabas ang usok sa tabi ng crater. Ay, sa loob ng crater.
Wait. Do
Yung wala sa
it. Don't
tubig.
do it. I will put this.
Ito
I
na ba? Wala
forgot
na ba?
it. I forgot to put it.
Unti lang ha, because pag madami is gonna be...
Ayun na lang kinanay. Wag to, wag to.
Super
Hindi pa to open.
Taktak mo nga to, meron pa oh. Taktak mo anak, meron pa remaining. Gunting ito.
Akin na, guguntingin.
I-open it.
Open na.
There.
Wait.
Ganyan.
Do it.
Sige.
Okay, done na. Okay, done na tayo.
Biglang higupin
Sige na.
sila dyan. Ipatay sila lahat. Sino walang utak dyan?
Oh, dalat. Gagamitin na ni ate.
Wait. No.
Hindi gagamitin na ni...
Good
Kinukuha
job.
pala yung
Done ka
ano
na? O, ate will use that for the egg. Yay! O, high five. High five.